Alright, Spirit, I quit! I quit, Spirit! I'm done with this game! Come here, man. Come here, Spirit. You know what, man? I'm so tired of playing this stupid game! Why do you make me do this?
Well, in the words of Porky the Pig, play the game, Nathan. Come on, buddy. Remember what happened last time. Oh, no. Definitely don't go that way.
No!
Oh, yeah. All right. Hey, watch
I'm gonna
this.
kill somebody.
Yeah, unfortunately,
No.
you can't kill a spirit.
No!
You see, Nathan, one thing you haven't understood yet is that I am the spirit of everything you do. Every time you ever have a success in a game, it's because I let you have it. Any time you mess up, anytime you fall off a ledge, I'm the one that gives you that tiny little push to push you off. Anytime you've been devoured by a zombie, I was every single one of those zombies devouring you. And you taste delicious.
Okay. Wow! Game over! You know what? Why don't you play the game? Yeah, you play the game.
I am this game.
I want to see you do the expert levels. Don't die at all.
Okay.
Do it. You know what? Wait. Okay. I'll make a bet with you. All right?
All right.
If you miraculously do this, you pick another game for me to play.
All right, that's fine.
But if you don't do this, you have to leave me alone forever.
Never make a bet with a spirit. All right. So what do you usually do when you're playing this? Let's see, you talk about politics and stuff. Let's see, you give silly little opinions about stuff. Let's see. Oh, you know some of those new games that have been coming out? Let's see. What's the newest game? Let's see. Oh, they recently came out with this legendary pack for Skyrim. You know, Skyrim Legendary. They have this really cool legendary mode that makes you, makes you put skills back. You know, you go back to 15, lets you level things up. That's very interesting. I actually was fighting a dragon, and I managed to level up my block skill 3 times. Well, no, not 3 times. 30 times, yes. It actually went up 30 times just from one dragon fight. That's how fast you can get things up. But you never play Skyrim. Man, you're a pansy. Skyrim is such an awesome game. Why do you play all these games? Oh yeah, I tell you to. Whatever.
You beat it?
Yep.
How? Give me another chance!
Another chance?
Come on, man. Give me another chance.
Okay. I'll give you another chance. All right?
Really?
Yes, watch this. Alright, Nathan, here's what you gotta do. You gotta find all the bananas and get back to the goal in 60 seconds. And if you don't, your soul's mine. If you do, I'll leave you alone.
Go!
Found him. Yes. Uh-oh.
Hurry up!
Play the game, Nathan.
Well, at least these still look pretty good. Ew. I missed it? Slender? Oh my god.